Do you desire to have a glowing skin? Do you want to have a supple skin? Do you want to tighten loose skin, saggy skin? Continue watching this video because I'll be showing you the ingredients I use in making this drink that will turn things around, that will make you achieve this beautiful glowing skin with just one glass. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips and health tips on this channel. Consider subscribing for more tips. Like this video and also share it. If you like it, just click on the like button. Let's go on. So you need to get tomato. You also have to get cucumber. You also have to get oranges. So just one glass is all you need. Tomato is rich in lycopene, a very powerful compound, also vitamin C, citrus, that helps greatly to protect your skin against harmful damage and also to brighten your skin evenly. Like when you take it inside, your skin will radiate, your skin will look very healthy and supple. As you apply a moisturizer, it will be working perfectly. So the next one is orange. So as you can see, just get any quantity. If you are making a glass, I will tell you the quantity that will be enough for one glass. So oranges are filled with vitamin C, like is a powerhouse for vitamin C. Helps to protect your skin, of course, build collagen production in the body and making sure your skin stays very healthy, very young. In case you are 60, you look 40 years or 30 something years old. Do you know what that means? Taking off 10 years, 20 years off your age. That is amazing. Plus your skin will feel tighter. Just get these ingredients, thank me later. And get cucumber. Cucumber is a very good ingredient, a vegetable. Keep your skin hydrated. For those that have dry skin, think of adding cucumber into your treatment, into your drink. Like you will never regret it. It hydrates and also make your skin stay supple, making it to look younger than your age. Another thing is the smoothness. It will give you a very smooth, beautiful skin. You will love it. So how to prepare this drink is just to wash the ingredients. If you are making for one glass, you have to get half size of cucumber, like a full size. Just cut it into two. One orange is enough. For the tomato, one large tomato, as you can see on the screen, is just enough for one glass. But in case you want to double the ingredients, you want to make large amount of this drink to store it in the refrigerator, you can go on and do it. All you have to do is just to double the ingredients, triple it, anyone you want, just to generate more of it. But you have to add warm water so that it can come out very well. So just wash thoroughly everything, then you have to peel, remove the peel, then you cut it into smaller size, transfer it into a blender, add some water, 1 glass of water only for 1 glass. Then you have to blend it. After that, you have to strain it out. The juice is perfect to take early morning. Before you have anything, just take it in the morning and you thank me later. So this is a drink that will help to keep your skin well nourished from the inside. As you take it, only 1 glass every day. Be consistent with it like this. You see how your skin will radiate beautifully. People will be asking you, what are you taking? What supplement are you taking? What kind of skincare products are you using? Very amazing. But if you are fortunate to also get a very good skincare products just like ours, Pamax skincare, very good for you. We have very good skincare products that as you take this drink, you see your skin looking so beautiful, evenly, no side effects, purely natural. Thank me later. All right, so this is a facial mask that you can also use in combination with this. Facial masks are also very important. This is a foundation that you should use on your skin before applying skincare products like the ones I have on this channel. You can check it out for yourself. You see them working perfectly. So if you want to take away dark spots, you want to have that beautiful flawless skin, get turmeric and also get rice powder and also get honey. Mix them just little amounts. 1 tablespoon of rice powder, just a little of turmeric, about half teaspoon. Add it into a bowl. 1 tablespoon of honey. Just mix this little quantity. If it's still thick, just add rose water, just little drops to form a paste. Then you have to wash off all makeups, remove all dirt from your face, then apply this treatment at night. So you have to leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it out using a lukewarm water. After that, apply a moisturizer. You can use rosehip oil as a moisturizer, vitamin E oil, anyone. But if you don't want to use any oils, you want a skincare product, patronize us. We have very good skincare products, especially for your facial skin, that will help to nourish and protect your skin against free radical damage, and you love the result. So after that, you have to use it 3 times weekly for the facial mask. But this drink should be taken every morning, first thing in the morning every day, on an empty stomach. This will help to detox you, flush away toxins from the system, clean your blood, and the result will give you a clear looking skin. No matter your complexion, it doesn't lighten. It will just keep your skin healthy and radiate beautifully, also keeping you looking younger than your age. If you make this drink, just tell me how it goes, okay? Leave a comment down below. Just share your experience so that others can also learn. And also check out my channel. You see so many beauty tips that will amaze you. Like, the result is massive. Don't forget to like this video. It's very important. Have you done it? Have you clicked the like button? If you have not done so, just do it now. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. This video will help you. Do not forget that. Just click on this video. You are missing a lot if you don't watch this video. Your skin will stay beautiful, attractive, younger, just looking so yummy. Thank me later. So guys, this is the end. I'll see you next time.